Welcome everyone to today's video of Tech It Simple. Don't know how to install the Pepperstone app on your mobile device? Don't worry, I'll teach you step by step. Guide to how to download and install the Pepperstone app on your mobile device. To do this, first, install the Play Store app for it. Then, search for the keyword Pepperstone in your Play Store search. And as you can see, there's a Pepperstone SE Trader in the search result. Click on this app and simply click on the Install button. As you can see, the download process has started. It needs some time to get installed. Just have some patience. Finally, the Pepperstone SE Trader app is installed on my device. Let's check it out in the app section. And there it is, the app is installed and the task is complete. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.